Welcome to eTalk English Academy. Today we are going to learn more phrases and two important phrases of the day. As we know, by understanding how to use phrases effectively, you can improve your writing and communication skill. And two important phrases we are going to learn today, and it will help us to enhance our writing as well as communication skill. The first phrase is atone for. As we know, it means to seek forgiveness and reconciliation for a harm and transgression. In Urdu हम इसे कह सकते हैं तौबा करना, कफारा अदा करना, पश्चाताप करना. So whenever you feel like that, you can use atone for. The syntax of this phrase is subject plus auxiliary. Auxiliary will be according to tenses or modal plus atone for plus object slash gerund. Gerund means any verb where we add ing and use as subject or object as a noun. We can have a couple of examples of it. She was atoning for making him depressed. वो उसे उदास करने का कफारा दे रहे हैं, पश्चाताप कर रही थी, या हम कह सकते हैं तौबा कर रही थी. Another sentence, Jannat should atone for disheartening Somya. जन्नत को सोम्या का दिल दुखाने के लिए तौबा करनी चाहिए, पश्चाताप करना चाहिए, या हम कह सकते हैं कफारा अदा करना चाहिए. दे आर अटॉनिंग फॉर देयर सिंस. वो अपनी गुनाहों की तौबा कर रहे हैं, पश्चाताप कर रहे हैं, या यू कैन से कफारा अदा कर रहे हैं. Another phrase is assure for. It means to give someone a guarantee or promise about something. यकीन दिलानी करना, भरोसा दिलाना. Then you can use that assure of to someone, to use that sort of phrase. The syntax of this phrase we are going to have like subject plus auxiliary as usually. If you use tenses according to tenses, or if you use modal according to modal, then assure plus object pronoun means me, us, them, then of plus object or gerund we can use. Let's have some of the examples. She should assure me of her loyalty. उसे मुझको अपनी वफादारी का भरोसा दिलाना चाहिए. He is assuring us of his honesty. वो हमको अपनी ईमानदारी का भरोसा दिला रहा है. Another example we will give to make it better understand. He assured me of his better service. उसने मुझे अपनी अच्छी सर्विस का भरोसा दिलाया. Or we can say government had assured people of their better facility. हुकूमत ने अवाम को उनकी बेहतर सहूलियात की यकीन दिलानी कर चुकी थी. Thank you for enjoying. I think